question today is, should you replace your existing salt cell with a different size or even with a different brand? Let's take a dip and find out. A lot of people ask about choosing between the original brand or an aftermarket replacement cell. Okay, going with the same brand is a standard choice as it's what the original equipment manufacturer intends, but sometimes it can come with a hefty price tag. Alternatively, aftermarket or generic cells may be an option for your chlorine generator model, but you want to look into what you're getting. Okay, these could offer better pricing with specs and warranty being the same, better, or worse. Okay, so make sure you do some due diligence. If choosing an aftermarket replacement cell, first make sure it is specifically compatible with your existing salt system. Next, and one of the most important things to consider is specs. Not all generic cells are created equal. Make sure the longevity of the cell is rated equal to or greater than your existing original cell. You might be surprised to know that there are lower quality cells out there that can have as little as 1/4 the lifespan. Another spec to consider is the chlorine output. The last thing you want, guys, is to buy another cell that won't put out the proper amount of chlorine. So confirm the model size and the output rating and compare it to your existing cell. Also, check the warranty and make sure warranty support is based in the United States. You'd be surprised how many companies sell overseas, which can cause delays and issues with the service. Check for reviews online, look at feedback given in the forums, and look up ratings on your Better Business Bureau, okay? You can find lots of other people's real experiences with a quick and simple search. There are plenty of great aftermarket cells out there if you know what to look for. In fact, the only aftermarket cells we carry here at Discount Salt Pool offer a good track record of providing great customer experiences, okay? If you found your existing cell struggling a bit in the past to maintain those chlorine levels in the pool, consider going with a larger cell. You can always turn the output down on your system, but you can't turn it up after a certain point. Upgrading your cell model size can let your system work less hard on a daily basis while letting you turn it up to knock out a problem should any pool issues arise. If you're considering downsizing on your salt cell, think carefully as this is almost always a bad idea. More power and reserve will usually give you the best results with a longer lasting cell. Changing sizes on a brand of replacement salt cells can be an opportunity to improve your salt system, but it is essential to do your homework with respect to adequate sizing, compatibility, warranty, etc. If you need help or have any more questions, please visit our website, discountsaltpool.com, or you can always give us a call. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.